plant-based, you gotta get rid of the oil. Why do we have to do that? Why I'm giving up oil and why you must as well. The reason is calorie density. That's right. In 1 gram of carbohydrate or protein, it's 4 calories. Guess how many calories is in 1 gram of fat? In 1 gram of fat, you have 9 calories. That's more than double. So if something is that much more in calories, isn't that like a warning sign that you shouldn't eat too much of it? That means something this small of a fat source could be potentially this big of a protein and carbohydrate source, or even bigger if it's a vegetable, which has very little calories, you know? So what does that mean? What are the food groups, food types that contain fat? You know, you have your bad options such as oil, sauces, cheese, milk, dairy, eggs, meat, things like that. They're all really very high in fat. And if you choose to, eat fat because we still need it, for our brain function and all these other metabolism related things that requires fat, but only require about 10-15%. If we do get it from the natural sources, like avos, nuts and seeds, your flax seeds, your chias, your pine nuts, macadamia nuts. Go for everything. Avos, especially avos. But you can't overeat because 1 gram is 9 calories, which means you can only have 1 or 2 serves. What's that in relation to oil? A tablespoon? Too much. Maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons if it's oil. Think about that. If you're having pizza and there's cheese on top, definitely too much oil. If you're having a burrito or a Subway or any type of sandwich with some sauce, how much sauce are you putting in? How much mayo are you putting in? Aioli are you putting in? How much peanut butter are you putting in? Putting in more than like 2 or 3 tablespoons or teaspoons, depending on what it is, definitely too much. If you get too much fat, what happens? The body gets too much nutrition, too much energy, it needs to store it somewhere. It gets stored in the fat cells. So the main reason that we gain weight is because we're just eating too much. And the main causes is fat, because it's just more than double compared to carbohydrates and protein. That's it, very quick tip. Hope you guys eat less fat and more carbs. Carbs is king. Thank you. See you next time.